हमारी कंपनी का गाड़ी दे रहे हैं।
मेरा नहीं, तुम लोग की तरफ से, कंपनी की तरफ से।
जूम करो ना।
तुमको मैं जानती थी, वो कंपनी के मालिक। अभी मैंने
नीतू पीछे ना है।
I was earlier on. So when we used to meet at Central Hall and things like this, occasionally there's so many people that I knew, I can't remember some of their names. Anyway, so that's one of the things. But anyway, it was very casual in the sense.
Correct.
We have coffees and things like that.
For his period of time, a lot of people connected to him was like just his friends and very close.
Yes.
He deal with them very loyally and
Yes.
very friendly.
चाबी है, चाबी है।
हम तुमको नहीं बोला, तुम सबसे शैतान हो। हाँ।
सर सर
हमको दे तो दो। क्या दो?
बेनिफिशियल कम ही है।
तुम्हें की बात की ना?
Ai thân.
राजेश ने बर्बाद।
Orthan bisno. Kon hayo.
ए,
आपका
Chal.